Today I'm going to make some homemade chocolate pudding. It's really simple and easy. You use 2/3 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, Hershey's cocoa powder, a dash of salt, 2½ cups of milk, 4 egg yolks, and then you whisk that all together. This will be enough pudding for one pie, or you can just eat it plain. We have your 2/3 cup of sugar, your 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and you mix that all together, a dash of salt, 4 large egg yolks, and it takes 2½ cups of whole milk. I'm making a double recipe today because I need a little bit extra more pudding. You turn it on like a medium heat. Keep mixing so it won't burn. And then when it comes to a boil, you have to boil it for about 2 to 3 minutes. I will show you in a minute when it comes to a boil. Okay, we're making the homemade chocolate pudding today. And after you have your 2/3 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, a dash of salt, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2½ cups of milk, and 4 large egg yolks. You want to whisk them in there really good. You add your milk, and when you let it simmer about a medium heat, it takes about, 15-20 minutes, and it'll pop up. You can see it getting thick. It's going to be popping up, being really thick like that. Alright, after the pudding comes to a boil, it's about 3 minutes. You want to add 2 tablespoons of butter and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then mix it in there well. When the pudding's cooking, you want to keep stirring it because you don't want it to burn. It'll burn, it'll ruin your pudding. So after you do this and it melts all that butter, you get it mixed up very well, and you can put it in a strainer to strain any lumps out. Just got to mash it through. Takes a little time. Then you put it in the refrigerator for about 2 or 3 hours till it cools, and it'll thicken more as it cools. And if you want to use it for a pie, you could go ahead and use it right now. It's ready for a pie. Or you can put it in your refrigerator and add some Cool Whip topping and just eat it for pudding. It's really simple and easy. Doesn't take much time. And I'll show you when it cools off. Now the pudding's been chilled in about 3 hours. I got it from the refrigerator. And the chocolate pudding's solid like that. It's really rich and creamy. And then put some Cool Whip on it. And there you go, your chocolate homemade pudding. Thank you for watching.